British slang for school and study. Want to talk about school and study like a true Brit? Today we're covering 5 British slang words that students in the UK use all the time. So by the end of this video, you'll sound like a native when chatting about exams, homework and school life. If you missed the previous parts, check them out after this one, or there's a link above which will take you directly to it. Welcome back to our daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy, and today we're learning 5 British slang words for school and study. So whether you're preparing for an exam or skipping class or just trying to survive school, you'll sound like a local. I'll break down their meanings, show you how to pronounce them, and then you'll hear them in action in a real conversation at a school library. And of course, you'll get to practice speaking them along with me and start using them right away. So make sure you subscribed and don't miss the next lesson. Now, let's get started. Here are the slang words we're going to learn today and the meanings and their pronunciation. Your first slang word is smashed it. And the meaning did really well on something, okay? And your example sentence, I thought I'd fail, but I smashed it. Now the pronunciation of smashed it is smashed, smashed, smashed it, smashed it. It's like a T sound after the smash. So smashed it, okay? Your next slang word is DOS, meaning something easy or relaxing. And your example sentence, that test was a total DOS. And the pronunciation, it rhymes with boss, boss, DOS. And DOS can also be used for DOS around and do nothing. Yeah. Now, cram is your next slang word. To study intensively in a short time. Your example sentence, I crammed all night for my exam. And cram rhymes with jam. So cram, jam, okay? Now, your next one, we've used this one in previous lessons. This is knackered, meaning extremely tired. And example sentence, I pulled an all-nighter, I'm knackered. And the pronunciation of this is knackered, 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 okay, knackered. Now, your last slang word for today is skive. To skip or avoid work. That's the meaning of it. And your example sentence, he skived off maths class today. And the pronunciation of skive rhymes with dive. So you've got dive, skive, okay? Now, on to the speaking part. Let me tell you how this works. First part, you listen only and listen carefully as you'll hear a full conversation using all 5 of these slang words. Pay close attention to how they're used naturally in context. In part 2, it's your turn to speak. One side of the conversation will be muted and you'll see the words coming up on the screen. I want you to read them out aloud as if we are having a real conversation. This will help you get more comfortable using these slang words in a real conversation. And in part 3, we swap roles. I say what you said and you say what I said. This will give you a full interactive experience and make sure you really understand and remember these slang words. Now, are you ready for our conversation? You ready? Now, imagine we are in a school library and this is where we're having our conversation. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. How did your exam go?
I was so stressed, but I smashed it.
Nice one. I wish I could say the same. I barely studied.
Mate, you always leave it to the last minute. Did you even cram?
A little bit, but I was knackered after the football practice.
Haha! No excuses. At least you turned up. Dan skived off today.
Again. He's always skiving.
Yep. And now he's going to fail.
Probably. Anyway, let's grab some food. That exam was a DOS.
Haha! You're lucky it was easy. Let's go, mate.
How did your exam go? Nice one. I wish I could say the same. I barely studied. A little bit, but I was knackered after the football practice. Again. He's always skiving. Probably. Anyway, let's grab some food. That exam was a DOS. I was so stressed, but I smashed it. Mate, you always leave it till the last minute. Did you even cram? No excuses. At least you turned up. Dan skived off today. Yep, and now he's going to fail. You're lucky. It was easy. Let's go, mate. And that's it. You've just learnt 5 British slang words for school and study and practiced them in a real conversation. Now it's your turn. Try using them in your daily English practice. Bit of a challenge for you? Drop a comment below using one of these slang words in a sentence. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss part 16 of our British English slang speaking course. Next time, we'll cover even more slang words that you need to sound more like a native Brit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.